Предельный угол атаки. Предельная перегрузка. Предельный угол атаки. Предельная перегрузка.
Oh, this is aircraft carrier. So welcome to Aircraft Carrier, a game where you just, fly planes. Now I am pretty experienced. I have like 2 planes. You get like $100 in this game per kill. Now I've killed like 30 people to get this type of money. I'm saving up for the Su-33, which is like 10,000. So I gotta kill like basically like 70 people. And there's my friend, Goat Nugget.
Предельная перегрузка.
If you're Russian and you understand what it says, I know it's something. I know it has something to do with stalling, cause it always plays when I'm stalling. So. But like, if you're Russian, yeah, Felber Bell is something that my friend made up. It's kind of like this, where like, oh shit, wait. I need to like get to a good position. So you do this and kind of air brake, then like kind of like do like so kind of like go into this position. It's pretty cool. Well, I could do the kibosh though. It's just like it's kind of hard to do. That was kind of perfect. Honestly, I saw a video where some dude was doing it. And I also saw like some guy was doing it like over here in the Su-33. He was just standing, kind of like standing in the same place doing the like spin. And he wasn't really doing anything. No, it's not like an everyday thing. Like that was just luck on when I did the freaking Kavasher ball. Like watch, like I pull down, I pull up, I do air brake, then kind of like it's just luck. Cause like sometimes you don't get enough air brake in the way.
Предельный угол атаки. Предельная перегрузка. Предельный угол атаки. Предельная перегрузка.
Anyways.
Предельный угол атаки. Предельная перегрузка. Предельный угол атаки. Предельная перегрузка.
Five-year-old playing a fighter jet game. I'll do the Felber Bell. Okay, let me get this dude on a good lock. You got him! You got him now! You got him now! You got him! Taking the shot! I'm not. Don't worry. Shoot! I don't know why I was wasting all my flares. This guy doesn't know how to lock on. Okay, yeah, he got me. Good sport, good sport. That's the ejection angle. Yeah. Well, you don't really press Z to lock on. It just shows you like how far away they are, kind of. But like, it's like another way to do it. Now, I really want this plane. It's like you pull up to the Kavashi belt. It's like the perfect one to do it in. Now you could. I've got the MiG-29. But like, I like the Sukhoi. Sukhoi is iconic. Okay, do it. I'll be like right behind you. Now the interior is not the best of the Sukhoi 57, Sukhoi 33. I said fall. Okay. Oh shoot. Yeah, he's going down. Honestly, that's a clean target that just shoot. Well, let's do the Kavashi bell, shall we? Let's see if we can do it actually, because this is a really hard maneuver to do in some conditions. So like, it's not like if you're good at flying in this type of game, it's just like luck in a way. Because you gotta just let the air has to flow with you in a certain way. Like the reason why the Kavashi bell happens is because like you start stalling and then you pull to like the right to avoid the missile, but also get behind the enemy. So it's like an evading tactic, but also like
предельный угол атаки, предельная перегрузка, 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 предельный угол атаки, предельная перегрузка.
Well, that's aircraft carrier for you. One last Kavashi bell, and I'm gonna end the video. That's not a Kavashi bell. And then
предельный угол атаки, предельная перегрузка, предельный угол атаки, предельная перегрузка.
Because I'm a jerk.